Afternoon. This is June the 7th. It's afternoon. Very hot, very humid, very hot. But we shall persevere like our bees can. Okay, this nuke yesterday morning was a drone layer. I took all the bees off and shook them off a ways. Put a new bottom, new box, new top, new everything in it. And put the queen, put the foundation back in it after I shook the bees off. And then I took this frame here that was with the last one that we had over there that we cut the queen cells out and put in, and couldn't find the queen. But this is what was left. This one here has got a little bit of nectar on it. No queen. And this is the frame that we moved over here. And I keep telling y'all 15 seconds, so we have to play the game again. There's queen. Short wings, long butt. And she was just hatched. So we got going to leave her out very long. See all the holes in there? I'll move it back later. But she was hatched. Where's my finger? Oh, there it is. She was hatched. And I'm going to put her back in. She was hatched from right there. Now there's another good queen cell in there that we could cut out. It's not destroyed yet, I don't think. But we could take that one and put it in another box. Start over again, which we may do. She was hatched out of right there. Oh, the bottom is, it's got a little flap on it that they get rid of. But it's still got two queen cells. I tell you there was one right above the other. This is the other. It's not hatched yet. We're thinning it out. This is one over here. They could hatch. And we're going to take them out and try them out because they'll hatch within the next couple of days. Maybe even before the end of this day. They were started about the same time. It has some drones, the pollen. A little baby queen right here. I don't know what she's doing. Maybe she's hot. Put her back in. And she won't cut those other cells down for a little while. But I can take that queen cell that's in there and put this in there with it. This one here has some pollen, some nectar, and everything that the drone layers were fixing. This is honey up here. We have pollen and nectar. The same thing on this side. The next frame is about the same thing. And if we have another little box, I'm gonna go look around. But if I find another little box that I got here that I'm not using, I'll take her off of that frame and put her on another frame in this box. Then I'll take this frame and I'll put it in a smaller box. We may even let y'all know how that works out, depending on timing is. I do all this stuff myself. And I'm still trying to figure out how to edit my films. Anybody knows a good program that's easy? How about let me know? Because I don't know how to edit. I haven't become educated on that yet. Can't get my mind set on it. But anyway, y'all have a great day. This is Sam, South Carolina, Happy Bees. And this is Route 109. And we put the queen cell in there yesterday. And it came from South Fence 103. Which came from South Fence 100. Y'all have a great day. Oh, another thing. No coveralls. White day's wash day. That's okay. I'll have them back tomorrow. Y'all have a great day. Be careful out there, y'all.